Everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So I wanted to bring you a video on Walgreens this week. We are looking at August 14th through the 20th of 2022. We have some really awesome and easy newbie deals that you definitely want to check out. I've got some freebies, some money makers. It's going to be amazing. So we're going to jump right on in and let's get going. So the first easy freebie newbie deal is the Colgate toothpaste. So this week, Colgate toothpaste is on sale for $3.99 each. You want to grab two of them for this particular deal. There is a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Make sure that is loaded. Out of pocket, you'll pay $3.98, but you're going to get $4 in Walgreens cash back, making this a completely free deal. Now, if you do have Walgreens cash, you can use that to pay down the balance as long as you are not using a booster. Let's talk about Scott, both the bath tissue and the paper towels this week. So we've got some pretty awesome deals. They are regularly priced $5, but we have a $1.25 off 1 digital coupon, which is a store coupon. It will apply to both the bath tissue and the paper towels, and it will apply to multiples in the same transaction. There is a $1 off 1 digital coupon for the bath tissue, as well as a 50-cent off coupon for the paper towels. So for the bath tissue, you are going to grab these for $2.75, and then if you want to grab the paper towels, it will be $3.25. Now, no worries. You want to submit to Fetch after that. There's quite a few deals that are happening with the Scott. Depending on whether or not you hit the minimum thresholds, you may actually make even more money back, making this a really awesome deal. Another paper product deal that you will definitely be interested in is the Cottonelle Mega Rolls. You want to grab one of these. They are on sale this week for $4.99, and Walgreens was nice enough to give us a $1 off 1 digital coupon. So out of pocket, we're going to pay $3.99, but then we're going to submit to Shopkick for 500 kicks or $2 more off, making that final cost just $1.99 each. A really great time to stock up on our paper products this week. Now, Covergirl has a really awesome digital this week, a 5 off of 2 that we got from Walgreens. Make sure that is loaded. So I'm going to show you a completely easy newbie freebie deal. You want to grab 2 of the eye enhancers. They're just the single count. They're $2.49 each. When you buy 2 of them, that $5 comes off, making both of them completely free. But I actually want to do a different deal. I'm going to grab not the singles, but the multiples with the 4 different shades in the eye enhancer. These are regularly priced $4.49. That takes you up to $8.98 each when you buy, total when you buy 2 of them. Use that 5 off 2 coupon. Out of pocket, pay $3.98, and Ibotta has a rebate for 3 back on 1. You can get $6 back, 3 for each of your eye enhancers, making this completely free and a $2.02 moneymaker. So I'm going to jump into a little bit of a more complicated deal with the Axe deodorant. Now, there's a really awesome deal here. You want to grab 4 of them. They're regularly priced $7.79. We have a good sale price of buy one, get one 50% off this week. And so when you grab 4 of them, two of them will bring up full price and 2 of them will bring up half price. That's going to take you to $23.37. We do not have any coupons to pair with this deal, but it's still going to be amazing. You're going to receive $6 in Walgreens cash. Basically, what the deal is on Axe is buy 2, get $3 in Walgreens cash, and since you're buying 4, you'll get 6. Then you're going to submit to Ibotta. We have 2 back on 1. It's a limit of 5 times. You're going to get $8 more back from Ibotta. Then you're going to submit to Fetch for 1,250 points, and you can get that up to 5 times. So you're going to get $5 back from Fetch. Your final cost will be $4.37 total, or $1.09 each. Now, this is a really great deal on its own, but I would recommend that you throw this into some sort of booster. We do have currently a booster for 5 back when you spend 20. If you did it with this deal, then you would get this for completely free and make a few cents extra. So another great deal we have here for some pretty cheap body wash is going to be the Olay body wash. Now, do take note, this is the more expensive brand of body wash by Olay. You're going to grab 2 of them. They're on sale for $8 each. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Make sure that's loaded. Out of pocket pages $12. You're going to receive a $4 register reward when you buy 2. And then you're also going to receive a $5 register reward when you buy $15 or more in P&G products. That's going to take your final cost down to $3 total, or just $1.50 each. And this would be another great one to include in some sort of booster if you are trying to put together a basket. And once you use that $5 booster, remember, it's going to be free and a moneymaker. So let me give you another scenario with a different Olay body wash product. These bottles are slightly cheaper. They're $6.49 on sale. You want to grab 3 of them for this particular deal because we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon. So that's going to take down your out of pocket to $14.47. As long as you are not using a booster, you can use Walgreens cash in order to pay this down. You are going to receive a $5 register reward for buying 3 items, and then you will also receive a $5 register reward from P&G for buying $15 or more in P&G products. So the final cost ends up being $4.47 total, or $1.49 each. And again, this would make another great one to put in some sort of booster scenario where you will get more money back on this. And one other note, if you want to do both Olay body wash deals, make sure you split them up into separate transactions so that your P&G register reward will print for both of them. So I want to share a scenario that I'm going to put together. So besides the fact that I have a $5 back on 20 booster digitally, I also have a paper booster for $8 back in Walgreens cash when I spend 40. So I'm going to combine these together for an amazing deal. So my plan is to head to the store and grab 2 of the Colgate toothpaste that are regularly priced or that are on sale for $3.99. Then I'm going to grab 2 of the Covergirl eye enhancers that are $4.49 each. Grab 1 of the Scott bath tissue that's $5 and 1 of the Scott paper towels that's $5. I'm going to grab 2 of the Olay premium body washes that are on sale for $8 this week. That takes my total to $42.96. I am going to use a 4 off 2 digital coupon for the Colgate, a 5 off 2 digital coupon for the Covergirl, a $1 off 1 digital coupon for the Scott bath tissue, 50 cents off 1 digital coupon for the Scott paper towels, and both of them will have a $1.25 off 1 store coupon for the Scott, which will take $2.50 off total. Now, that will not count towards that $40, but since I am well over that extra $2.50, I should be good to go. Then I'm also going to use the 4 off 2 digital coupon for the Olay. Out of pocket, that's going to leave me at $25.96. At that point, from Walgreens, I will get back $4 in Walgreens cash for the Colgate. I will get $5 in Walgreens cash for the digital booster, $8 in Walgreens cash for the paper booster. I will also receive a $4 register reward for the Olay and a $5 register reward for purchasing $15 in P&G products. On top of that, I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta and get $6 back, 3 each for both of the Covergirls. That's going to make my final total completely free and a $6.04 moneymaker. I cannot wait to do this deal.